intelligent ways to multiply your money. Most of the working population works at least 8 hours a day or follows a 9 to 5 job routine. Probably, most get paid for the hours they work for. So to earn a little extra, they try to work overtime. Anyone who works full-time will get stressed and tired. Imagine working long hours, but you feel like you still don't get paid enough. Even though you want to work more, you won't be able to since you have a personal life outside work. You also want to engage in daily activities like working out, bonding with loved ones, eating, attending parties or celebrations, and many more. You do not get paid during these times since this is no part of working anymore. But what if I tell you that there are other ways you can make money without even working? In this video, we will share the 5 intelligent ways to multiply your money. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice for happiness and success. Number 1. Trading. Trading pertains to buying or selling goods or services. Do you know that you can also do trading virtually? One way of trading is called stock trading. Stock trading mostly happens in the stock market. To describe it, you are buying a specific amount of shares of a company or a product. Your goal here is to purchase the shares at a low price, hoping the price will go up soon. When the price increases, the shares you bought will also have a higher value, thus giving you profits. You can buy stocks at well-known stock markets, such as the New York Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and London Stock Exchange. Here's a short history of the electric car company Tesla, owned by Elon Musk, who also owns SpaceX. In June 2019, the Tesla stock price closed at $38 only. 2 years later, the stock price rose to almost 1,800% and is currently at $690. Imagine if you bought $100 of stock 2 years ago, it would be a staggering $1,800 by now. Some expert tradings do day trading in the stock market, but it is recommended that you do the hold strategy. It is buying the stock share and holding it for a long time, then selling it when you are happy with the profit. Day trading is trading daily by taking advantage of the small or large movement of prices within an hour. It can be done by trading cryptocurrencies, which are virtual currencies. Take note that you should know how to manage risk and plan your trade. They have much more volatility and movement compared to the stock market. Number 2. Save your money through banks with high yields. When you open a bank account, you use it as a safe place for your hard-earned cash. But what if I tell you that your money can earn money while being safe and untouched? It is called accounts with high yields. A savings account with yields means saving up while interest will be added to your account at the end of the year. For example, you opened an account and deposited $20,000. If the annual percentage yield is 1%, then $200 will be added to your account at the end of the year. It may be small, but it is better than nothing or just saving up in a regular savings account. It is recommended that you save up in an online bank as most of the time, they provide a very high APY and funds are more accessible. One of the banks that provides a high APY is UFB Direct, which offers 1.66% APY. Just make sure that they are FDIC insured to keep your money safe. FDIC ensures that depositors are secure as well as their funds. Before we continue, don't forget to drop by the comment section and share your thoughts. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's continue. Number 3. Buy real estate. Real estate properties like houses, lots, condominiums, and apartments are costly. Although they may cost a lot, you can earn a lot from real estate. 2 ways of earning in real estate are buying and selling and renting. We know that precious stones like gold increase in value yearly. It is also the same when it comes to real estate. Real estate prices increase over time. Different factors help make the value of real estate price appreciate. Examples are the area and progress in the location of the property. The housing prices in Texas may be much lower than in New York because New York is much more developed compared to Texas. Once Texas keeps up with New York and becomes much more developed, the price of properties in Texas will increase. Another way is renovation. You buy an old or unused property and develop it to a buyer's need. You then sell it for a much higher price. If you don't want to sell your lovely properties, you can do rentals. People will live on your property and pay a rent fee. Number 4. Start a business. Another way your money can work for you is by starting a business. You, the owner, don't need to work for you to earn money. You can hire people or workers to do the job and create the product for you. Although there are possible risks and losses, the rewards and wins are much more expected. Number 5. Avoid the fees. Minimal fees may seem small at first, but when you really think about it on a bigger scale, how much total fees do you pay in a year? You will probably start to worry. For you to make more money, you should try to avoid paying fees. Did you know that according to the 2021 FinHealth Spend Report, Americans paid over $127 billion just in banking fees in 2020? Bank transaction fees like late payments can be costly. Instead of paying a hefty fee, just pay before or on the due date. Another is using the designated ATM of your bank instead of other ATMs. Using a different ATM will charge you with a transaction fee. Instead of your profits going to your pocket, it goes to other people's wallet. You never really notice these small fees unless you compute and count them on a larger time frame. And those are the 5 intelligent ways to multiply your money. Got thoughts you wish to share? Comment them down below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Money in Mind. Stay tuned as more exciting content on financial advice is coming very soon. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next video.